Hello everyone, welcome back to Coders United. Today we're going to be discussing ref hooks. So a ref hook is a hook that allows you to reference a value that's not needed for rendering. So to get started, we're going to create a React app, and I'm going to use the create React app command. From here, let's go ahead and let's boot up our project by running npm start. Okay. Now that the project has been booted up, let's head back to our source folder here and open up app.js. So to start, we need to create an element, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to give this an ID. We're going to call it my element. And we'll just leave that empty there. We're going to save the value. We're going to head back to our browser. And we're going to console log the value of that element. Okay, so just going to target it using the getElementById method and passing in the ID of my element. Okay, so as you can see, by using the getElementById method, we're able to reference the underlying DOM value. But in React, right, we don't have access to those static HTML approaches. So instead, we've got to use a ref. So to do that, we need to import the useRef hook. And after we've imported it, we need to create the ref. So I'm going to go ahead and create a variable. I'm going to call this elementRef. And then we'll just pass a null as the initial value here. Okay. So next, to reference this element, we can go ahead and set the ref equal to elementRef. All right, so from here, to log that value, we're going to go ahead and create a button. And this button is going to be responsible for invoking a function which logs the value. So we'll start by setting up an onClick event here. And then we need a function we can point this at. So I'm going to go ahead and drop in here, and I'm going to add a new function. I'm going to call this function getElementId. All right, and from here we can invoke that function on click. Next, inside this function, we can go ahead and we can create a variable equal to the elementId by referencing the elementRef and its current property. From there, we can access the ID of the element. And next, we go ahead and pass that in our log here. We save our progress, and we head back to our browser. Next, let's click on our button, and we can see that it accesses that DOM value using the ref and prints it out to our log here. And that's it. So if you like this video and want to see more like it, go ahead and hit that like button, and we'll see you next time.